What do you believe? Do you believe there's one God?
What?
Do you believe there's one
Of course
God?
there's one God.
Good.
Why
There
not?
you go. You believe that
Put it
God
together.
sent prophets like
Yeah.
Abraham, Moses, Jesus,
Yeah,
Muhammad?
they're all prophets. Yeah, they're all prophets.
So you believe
Bro,
Muhammad's
that's
a
how it
prophet?
goes.
I feel
Who
you.
don't
Yeah,
know that's how it went?
A lot of people don't
That's how
know,
it
man,
went.
but you
What,
know,
Jesus
man.
was a prophet?
Woo!
Yeah.
You on it, bro. So you already Muslim, bro.
Bro,
You already got the belief, bro.
Hey, yo, look, hold on, man. Because I gotta do this with my page too.
Go put
Alright,
it.
look. So if y'all don't got it by now, y'all gotta get it. Yes. Jesus was a prophet. Yes. Okay? In the Bible, it states a lot of prophet, not just the disciples, okay?
So you believe in one God, you believe Jesus is a prophet, you believe Muhammad was a prophet, peace be upon all of them. You're already Muslim, bro. You can do your shahada right now, man.
Yeah.
Arabic first or English first? How do you want to do it?
Let me know.
All right. We're going to do English first, all right?
English, okay.
So say it with me.
It'll help me out.
Yeah, you're going to be a Muslim today. You're going to have a brand new day. Your past is cleansed. You already got the belief here. We're going to express it right now, all right? Yeah. So I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There is none worthy of worship.
There is none worthy of worship.
Except Allah.
Except Allah.
And I bear witness.
And I bear witness.
That Muhammad.
That Muhammad
is the servant.
Is the servant.
And messenger of Allah.
Messenger of Allah.
Allahu Akbar.
One true God. Allah Akbar.
The one true God. We'll do Arabic now, all right? So say with me.
Okay.
أشهد
Allah
إله
ilaha
إلا الله
illallah wa
أشهد
anna
محمد
abduhu
عبده ورسوله الله أكبر. That was a champ.
Hey, I know, right? He thought I was gonna be here. Like, what did you say?
Nah, he's a champ. Our brother in Islam. He's gonna give you a gift.
Okay,
the hat, bro.
I bet the hat.
Chasing knowledge.
This is extra. I'll take the hat. But